In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Sydney. If you've received a fine and want to take care of it quickly without visiting a service center, the online payment process is usually the easiest option. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the official service Ni South Dollars process so you know exactly where to click and what information to have ready before you begin. To get started, go to the service Ni South Dollar Fine Payment portal. Make sure you're using the official government website so your payment is processed securely. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main dashboard for fine-related services. From there, look for the option that says Pay a Fine and select it. This will take you to the section specifically for handling fine payments, including traffic tickets. It's a good idea to read the page briefly so you understand what payment methods and information may be required. Next, click on Pay Online. This will direct you to the online payment area where you can continue with the process. If you're doing this on your phone, just give the page a moment to load fully before moving ahead. You'll then arrive at the quick payment page. This is where you can pay your fine without going through a more complicated account setup. It's designed to make the process faster, especially if you already have your fine notice in front of you. Now enter your fine or payment reference number in the required field. Be careful when typing this in, because even one incorrect digit can stop the system from locating your ticket. It's best to copy the number exactly as it appears on your notice. If your fine document includes spaces or formatting, follow the on-screen instructions for how the reference should be entered. Once you've finished entering the reference number, take a moment to double-check it before continuing. This small step can help you avoid errors and save time. After that, click Next. The system will use the number you entered to pull up your fine details. If everything matches correctly, you'll be taken to the next screen to continue payment. From here, simply follow the prompts to complete the payment. Depending on the portal, you may be asked to review the fine details, confirm the amount, and enter your payment information. Read each screen carefully before submitting anything, and once the payment goes through, keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. A screenshot, downloaded receipt, or confirmation email can all be helpful if you need proof of payment later. And that's it. That's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Sydney.